Okay, as you can see, we've got the air fan turned up all the way, and you can hear in the background it sounds like the heater's on, and if I put the mic up against this vent, you can tell there's no air coming out at all. But temperature outside is about 100, and it's just not, there's no air coming out. It slowly, surely kind of just slowly turns over to the heater side and puts the cold air through the heating system, it seems like, because it turns all the airflow off.